Alright, Mom, put camera, just camera serve. Anything else today?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Alright, just pull around.
Alright, you guys, good morning. I just ordered my Starbucks. I had a free reward this morning, so obviously I got a venti. It's gonna feel so good on my throat. I'm in Brian's truck again. I'm so sick, you guys. This is so miserable. You know what's more miserable than anything of being sick is the cough. The cough is what makes it the worst. It's a horrible thing. I don't like being out. I don't like being out in public because I have this cough. I look and feel like poop. Like death rolled over me. It feels horrible. It's bleh. Let me pay for this and then I can continue on with my adjectives on how I feel. Good morning, friends. I'm not gonna vlog at all today, like talking. I'm just gonna film. So, with that being said, if you guys can hear me, I'm gonna put my Christmas stuff up today, or Christmas tree. So, let's go do that, shall we?
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on.
Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. As you guys can tell, I still don't have a full voice, but I still wanted to vlog because I miss you guys and I miss vlogging. Can't believe that you know, I can't like give myself a break, but I have been giving myself a break for quite some time. Just now getting my voice back, which is great. I mean, it's in and out, but whatever. I'm actually headed out today because I actually want to go try to look around at some Christmas stuff at Home Goods and TJ Maxx, and I'm trying to find some Ray Dunn stuff, and I just want to get out of the house because I feel like I've been so cooped up in here for the past week, honestly. So although it's a rainy, crappy day outside, I didn't curl my hair because of the rain. But I've showered, I've got myself dressed. It's 40 degrees outside. I'm ready for some like Christmas shopping and cold air, so it's gonna feel so good. So I thought I would take you guys along because it's been such a long time since I've vlogged. So most of today's vlog probably won't be me talking, just this little bit right here. The rest is gonna be me shopping or looking around, sharing stuff with you guys. So let's go take a look and see what we can find.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of antennae, onwards ever go. December day, on this cold December day.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this
So it is so dark in the house because it's raining outside so bad, and I'm not gonna be able to get anything to focus on me, but I'm actually gonna start putting the Christmas lights on my tree. I stopped off at Walmart and picked up 10 boxes of lights, so they all match this year. I think like last year I had the top of my tree, they had like different lights on it that didn't match because they were like a different color of white. But anyway, so I picked up 10 of these boxes. So I'm hoping that 10 boxes will fit on my big tree. So let's get to, let's start lighting this Christmas tree up. Let's just light this mother up, why don't we? Let's get lit. So let's just do this. And as you guys can see, my voice is kind of getting better. It's like in and out, in and out. So, yeah, it's a good thing. And then tonight I'm making beef stroganoff for dinner. So I think I might do a separate video on that. That way I can show you guys how I'm gonna do the beef stroganoff. So, still have a cough though. But let's go ahead and get these lights on the tree. Sorry that it's not focusing because it's like picking up on the light behind me. So there's my tree. Let's get to lighting. I have my Christmas tree and it is lit up. It looks so good. I have a few pockets that I need to like fill in lights, but other than that, this is so pretty. I'm so excited about it now. I'm loving it. And I actually started putting stuff on my mantle. I'm doing something completely different this year. I'm not putting my window, see the window behind me? I'm not gonna put the one that's up there. I took it down. So I'm gonna do something completely different this year with my mantle. But I'm actually thinking I'm gonna do like a whole different video on that, like decorate the mantle with me type of thing, and kind of show you guys how I do it and how I put it together. So if you guys are interested in that, leave it in the comments below. Say, yes, show us how you do your mantle. And I will, but right now I just have that up there. It's so cute. That is a sign that I actually bought at Kirkland's last year that I think it was on like clearance or something, and I just didn't get to use it. Obviously because it's on clearance and I bought it like after the season. But this year I'm gonna use it. I put batteries in it and it looks so cute up there. So I'm loving it. And then obviously I gotta put garland up there and everything. And you guys can tell my voice is coming back. So excited about that.